Hello teacher, my name is Jonathan Gonzalez and I'm studying the program Telecommunication Engineering. I will gonna spell my name, so that is JONATHANGONZALEZ. So I live in Bogota. Uh, I live in Suba. I can show you the place where I live because I am traveling. I am working out of my home, and right now I'm in a hotel. So I will try to describe the place. Maybe I will try to describe the neighborhood around my home. So I live in a really nice part of Bogota, or I like that place, that neighborhood. There are a lot of parks near it where you can do exercise or play with the children. I have to say that the traffic in that area it's horrible. Sometimes I prefer walk or use my bicycle when I need to do something in the city. Near my home there is a supermarket, a really big supermarket. Uh, it's a little bit expensive, but it's really useful when you need something. Uh, I don't know. I near my house there is my favorite place to go on Sundays. Is a private park to practice mountain bike. I love mountain bike, so that is a safe place to practice. It's a mountain. It's private, so I like very much. I think that is enough. Thank you very much.